Like here, I'm the founder and architect of the Sales Dashboard and Tracker app. This was formerly known as the Sales Team app. With this app, you can give your sales reps a dashboard and a back office right on your storefront. No, you don't have to ask them to log in on any other website. Everything is under your branding with this app. To install the templates, it's just a single click. Let me just show you how the whole thing works. So if you click this, this will install all our templates and this would create a page on your store. So I have a demo store here and I've already clicked it and I've created the things. So you see this rep login page, this gets created automatically. Then from your navigation, it's very easy to add this page. So say for example, I want to add it to my main menu. I'll just say add item. I'm gonna go here, select pages, rep login. You can call it ambassador login, sales rep login, customer service login, whatever you call your reps. Once you do this, this adds it to your menu. You can add it to the header. Most of our clients like to add it to the footer. Once you've done this, the next step is adding a rep so they can then go log in and then access all the rich features we have. So essentially it creates a page like this. So you see it's the page, and once you add reps, they can log in with the username password. They can also sign up. The sign up form is pretty simple, like just first name, last name. So let me just put test so I can show you the next step. Email and phone number. These are the only required fields. We have a couple more optional ones. With this, they can sign up to be a rep on your store. All these requests go in the manage team sign up request section. And from here, you can see who's applied and you can approve, deny them. You can add reps yourselves. So for example, this is a test store. We've added a bunch of reps. Let me just show you what the rep dashboard would look like. So let me just copy my password from here. So when you add a rep, the reps will get an email like this telling them what the username password is. Username is usually just the email, and we'll generate a password which they can change later. So if I go back here and I log in as Rick. So this will log in the rep and they can see the whole dashboard and all the rich feature set. For each feature, we have a separate tutorial videos, so I'll get into those in those videos. In this one, I just want to give you an overview of the app, how it works, and why this is going to be a game changer for you. So once you have this whole rep back office or rep dashboard on your branding, on your store, the next step is to turn on the features. For each of these, we have a tutorial video. So the features I'll describe in those. Once your reps are set up, your commission model is set up, then you get detailed reports on who's making how many sales, how many orders have they gotten, how much revenue are they bringing, how much commission are they getting based off the commission setup that you would do. This is also totally transparent. By that I mean the reps, they can see all the orders that they are bringing, all the commissions, they can track all that right over here. Since this is a test account, I don't really have data, but if they had orders, they would see like all graphs, like with orders, which month they had more orders. They can see the detail of each order over here. They can see all the draft orders they created. And again, remember, all this is under your branding on your store. Yeah, so that's pretty much for the intro video. If you have any questions, concerns, any new feature requests, please do reach out to us. You can either send us an email directly or you can set up a demo meeting. We have our meeting calendar right here. You can set up a meeting with us, or like I said, just email us. Cool. Looking forward to you using the app and getting